Ayan, so the locals here are very, very friendly. The vibe here is super chill. Si ate naka-smile. Oh, ayan, diba? Bamboo fronts ba tawag? Ano ba tawag dyan? Patio. Bamboo patio. So you are greeted with really, really nice spacious room. You have all your racks here where you can hang all your stuff. I don't know what you can hang, but you can hang all your stuff there. Okay, let's check out the view. What is up, y'all? My name is Wayne, your camboy that is out here in Manila. And for today's video, guys, a lot of people have been asking me what my hotel looked like at Malapascua Island. They wanted a room tour. So I will be showing you guys the room tour of the Hippocampus Hotel in Malapascua Island. Obviously, I'm at home now. I went 2 weeks ago, and so this intro is in Manila, but the room tour is in Malapascua Island in northern part of Cebu. Let's go. So the first hotel that I stayed at is actually called Hippocampus Hotel, which is here. Hello, ate. Yeah, and so we are at the Hippocampus Hotel. I stayed here for 2 days. What's really, really cool about these hotels is that all of the locals here on the island are actually super duper nice. I mean, you walk around, you don't know the people, but they will still say hi to you and greet you with a friendly smile. So here at the Hippocampus, they are very, very accommodating, very, very nice, and it's really, really chill. They have a really cool beachfront behind here where you could relax, enjoy the ocean view. Yesterday I sat down at the tables, I had a drink, and they were cooking barbecue in this little teepee hut thing, and it was just really, really nice just to get away from like the city life and listen to the ocean waves and see the sunset. And they had a lot of beach dogs. Like, there's a beach dog just over there. There's a beach dog over there, and I was giving them food. They're so fat and big, it's so funny. So yes, this is the Hippocampus. I will show you guys the rooms. I will do a tour of the rooms, but this is their main, I guess, like receiving area. So here they have the Hippocampus reception, and then they have a bar here. They have happy hour from... Kuya, ano oras yung happy hour nyo?
4 to 7, sir.
Yeah, and so they have happy hour from 4 to 7. Magkano yung happy hour nyo, kuya?
Depende sa ano, sir, sa drinks na yun. Ano kasi yung buy one take one free.
Oh yeah, so the drinks are buy one take one free. So you buy one, you take one free.
Wow naman!
Pero the same drinks, no? Pag buy one, take one.
Opo, the same.
Yeah, so it's the same drinks. They have a few drinks on their menu, so which is really cool. They have some lovely ladies enjoying their coffee there. Hello. Yeah, and so it's really relaxing. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the Hippocampus. Ayan, so the locals here are very, very friendly. The vibe here is super chill. Si ate naka-smile. Oh, ayan, diba? Oh, si kuya mag-hello. Hello, kuya. Oh, yon. So this one here, a lot of the hotels here are diving resorts, because if you don't know, Malapascua is known for diving. So for divers, because we have really, really dope coral reefs here in the Philippines, and they are known for the treasure sharks, which are apparently vegetarians. So you could really, really dive down and get close, but not too close. And yeah, just to see them. So here you see all of the diving equipments that they have. So yan, yung diving equipments nila. Hi, kuya. There we go. So yun, so this is the vibe. They have like bamboo fronts. Bamboo fronts ba tawag? Ano ba tawag dyan? Patio. Bamboo patio. So yan, the bamboo patios upstairs and downstairs. And it's really relaxing kasi there's a lot of trees here. Kaya, what's the word? Maaliwalas siya, and it's very, very windy. Yeah, so I stayed in that hotel there. Oh no! Ay, bawal magturo. There's somebody there already. Today I'm staying at another hotel. I will show you guys what hotel that is, because that hotel is also really, really nice. So yes, this is the Hippocampus Travel Dive Hotel.
Sa vlog niyo, sir.
Kuya?
channel mo.
Channel ko? Wayne.Avellano.
Para mo subscribe.
Oh yes, oo, mag-subscribe kayo. No,
Wayne.
Avellano. Avellano. Oo, yun. Oo, salamat kuya. Thank you. Ayun, so I will show you guys a montage of the rooms. Kasi yung room sobrang ganda, as in the room here, the balcony view is so sick. Cause right when you wake up and when you slide the doors, it's right there. Ay, bawal magturo. So that room there is really, really cool. Super relaxing, gives you nice ocean view. And yeah, so here it is. So you get a nice table there then. You can enjoy a nice coffee there, like what they're doing right there. And you're under the shade, kaya maaliwalas. Maaliwalas, te? Maaliwalas, diba? Ayan. So yeah, so there are, ay, bawal magturo. There are a lot of, there's 4 rooms here in the front. You can choose, pick and choose. And then here is the ocean view, which is really, really chill. Tapos you could have some drinks there in front of the beach. And like what they are doing. Hello po. There, so they are having their drink and breakfast. Hello. Yes. So, yeah, so there we go. Okay, interviewin natin si ate. Tanong natin magkano yung room rates nila dito. Ang tanong, magkano ba dito sa Hippocampus? We will find out and we will go into their admin office para naman when you go here, you know what type of rooms there are and magkano yung mga rooms dito. Kasi na-enjoy ko talaga yung stay ko dito when I went. So, hello po! Good afternoon! Welcome to my vlog and welcome to the Hippocampus Hotel. Ayun, so a lot of our viewers po are wanting to ask, magkano po ba ang stay dito sa hotel nyo?
Okay, we have 3 categories of the room. So we have the standard room, the superior room, and then the deluxe view rooms. And the standard rooms, we offer it for 1,800 now. So it's 1,800 only with hot and cold shower, 24 hours aircon, and it comes with 2 breakfasts already also. Then the standard room, it's a view garden. So you can see, hindi naman masyadong malayo sa beach, right?
Yes, it's so close by. It's literally 10 steps and nandyan ka na sa harap. So really, it's no difference.
Exactly. Well, superior is more wider than standard rooms. We can also allow it with 3 persons on it, 2 8. And then if you want to have an additional person, it's 700 pesos additional.
Dagdag ng 700.
Yes, dagdag siya. Tapos may ano na siya, extra mattress and include breakfast.
Oh, yun. So if you have more than 2, dagdag ng 700 per person and you get 3 breakfast na yun. And sobrang laki na ng room nila.
Exactly.
How about po yung deluxe po, yung ocean view?
Yung deluxe room, that's 3,800. It's facing from the sea view. It's split type aircon, mini fridge, and there is well, all our rooms have a private balcony also, private toilet, and we have some shampoos, towels. We also had it in the rooms for amenities and yeah.
Pero, it is so hot. Grabe. Sobrang init dito. So when you go to any islands in the Philippines, make sure to bring your sunscreen and sunblock and apply every hour. Don't copy me kasi nakalimutan ko mag-apply. So I have sunburn. So, oops, I have sunburn. And yeah, so yan yung Hippocampus Hotel. Super duper nice. There are more tourists coming, so that's good. Alright guys, so now we are inside of, not inside. So now we are outside of the balcony and you are greeted with really, really nice view of the trees. Super relaxing, so nice to have a coffee here. And past the trees you have the main beachfront. So this is actually located beachfront here at the Hippocampus. You have all your racks here where you can hang all your stuff. I don't know what you can hang, but you can hang all your stuff there. And then, of course, to have coffee. My favorite part of the day is having coffee in the morning where you can just relax, chillax, do some work, think about your life, you know, like solve problems in your head. And then yeah, have a companionship here and while you smoke, don't smoke, but it's not good. But you have that if you smoke, so yeah. Okay, let's check out the view. So here's the view. Look at that, oh. Super blue ng tubig. Ang ganda. The view is so breathtaking, guys. Especially kasi over here, you get the sunset. And yeah, it's just really, really mesmerizing to see how beautiful Mother Nature really is with the sunset and just the sound of the waves. Alright guys, so that concludes the room tour. If you are looking for a vacation here at the Malapascua Island, northern part of Cebu, please do check out Hippocampus Hotel because it is absolutely breathtaking and you will surely enjoy your vacation here. I will leave the links of the videos and of the website down in the description below, so do check that out. Alright guys, so that concludes our vlog. That is the Hippocampus Hotel here at the Malapascua Island. If you like that video, hit like, comment, share to all your friends, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're always updated for all of my videos. I do have several videos regarding Malapascua Island on my channel, so hit that and look at the videos that says the travel guide how-to to Malapascua Island and also a budget-friendly hotel here at the Malapascua Island with all of the prices. Jeez, I cannot talk. So thank you very much for watching and I will see you guys on my next vlog.
Bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out.